Welcome everybody. We are live in Toronto at the Builder Show, right here in Toronto, the building show. It's the largest, I believe, show in Canada from what I was told. Just going to make sure we're live on all the channels here so I can not waste my time and walk around and not even have anybody to talk to out there. But I'm going to walk you through the entire show today. There's 2 halls here, so this is going to take a while. We got everything from modular, panelized construction. We have concrete wall panels. We got cold form steel. We got the manufacturers of the equipment plus the panelization folks. And then you have everything in between. We got commercial and residential at this show. So if you've not been to this show, I had a chance to walk around it yesterday, and I will tell you it was actually very surprising how awesome it is. You know, it's not the International Builder Show, so it's not that big, but it's in the middle, which is kind of fun. And it's kind of fun to see the industry come together with the rest of the industry. So what I mean by that is the offsite industry. So I'm going to walk you through. This is what we're looking at here. You may know some of these people as we go by. You got Modular right on the right-hand side there. And I'll go as slow as I can, not to make everybody seasick.
$240 for
But you've probably seen Modular at several of the building shows that we've been at. Our friends from Nietzsche are here. How you guys doing?
Doing well, thanks.
Good, good. Yeah. Triumph building envelopes here. We'll stop and talk to a few people as we get a little bit further down through here. As you can see, there's a lot of people here. There's a lot of people here to do business. In fact, there's a whole section at this show that is dedicated to international companies. A lot of Chinese companies are here.
Please move to the next table listed in the placard in front of you.
So up here so I can walk around a few people. Let's see, we're going to go down this way to avoid being behind everybody. But you can see we got wall systems. True North is here with their log timber. Duradeck for the waterproof decking, which is pretty interesting. It's almost like a vinyl sheet for decking. This is a off-site manufactured deck product itself, which you can have it custom built, brought to your site. It's all aluminum. It's a company called Quick Build.
Started life as a wood turning company with BC wood. And then we got off of wood.
I had the pleasure of running into my good friend Kyle Stumpenhorst from R&R Buildings. If you don't know Kyle, you should follow him. I think he has about 3 million followers now. Barn Dominium. So if you're into barn dominiums, he's the guy to do it for sure. If you're watching this, give me a shout and let me know that the audio is coming through clear and you can hear us and showing you around. We're on the residential side right now, so there's a whole other section which is the commercial side, and we're going to go to there in a little bit. I'll try to cover just some of the main parts here, or we're going to be on this stream for hours. Maybe I'll get to show you the international section as well. We'll see if there's a Canadian modular company over on this side here as well that if they're available, maybe we can have a chat with them and you can learn a little bit about what they're doing. New Tech Wood. You know, interestingly enough, there's a lot of soundproofing companies here today, which I find very interesting. You don't see that very often. There's a lot of your ISO boards and the different profiles. Your ICF walls.
We'll do a takeoff for you. Just send us your plans right now. I'm looking for the Hydroplex product. Send you out the takeoff, send you off the floor.
Steering, and then you give contract.
Yes.
Some of your CLT providers. Everybody is super busy, so we're not going to bother people when they're talking with customers.
Basically, like, we're not going to spend this amount.
Anybody want to talk to me about what Art Tech is?
Be happy to.
Love it. We're live, so don't make a fool of yourself.
No pressure, eh?
Here, hold that up to you. Yeah. Tell us a little bit about what you guys do.
We're a wholesale distributor based out of Oshawa, just east of Toronto.
Yeah.
We target the installer market, electricians, security, automation. We started as an automation company back in 2002.
Okay.
Fully Canadian owned and operated. President and the owner started out of his basement and his garage, just buying a couple pieces at a time when he realized there was a gap in the market. We are now growing. We've got 5,000 customers and partners. We have rep over 62 brands plus 120 total. Security, automation, electrical. What am I forgetting? Networking. There's a lot of things we touch. Low voltage as a whole, really.
Right. Are you guys just based in Canada?
We primarily, yes.
Primarily? So what was the gap in the market?
What was the gap?
Yep.
There was no inventory, going back a ways, but X10 automation.
Okay.
So the owner was big into automation. That was a computer-driven automation early stages. He couldn't find it in Canada, so he's like, if I can't find it, somebody else must be looking. He needed 5, he ordered 10. And literally that's how it evolved. Every time he ordered something, he ordered excess. Started out of his garage and been 22 years in the business now.
Awesome. You have all this stuff in your houses?
Yes. Pretty much every brand you see here is in my house in some way, shape, or form. So everything's a custom built solution, right? And now we focus more on security, access control, multi-residential, things like that.
Is that what we're looking at here?
This is residential and then low-end multi-residential. Okay. So it's starting to tie in. Asa Abloy, Accenture are some of the more high-end high-rise towers.
Yeah.
But for a standard residential, brilliant's a great option.
Got it. And that's the alarm and security stuff behind you here?
This is like a construction model of the cameras. So these are standard CCTV cameras, but this is an all-enclosed construction box. Plug it in. It's got an LTE router built right in.
Yep.
Live active deterrent. So if someone comes on the property, it screams and yells and sends off signals.
Right.
So, and you can set up live monitoring as well, so police can actually respond.
And it's all cellular-based?
This
technology?
one in particular is,
Got it. And what about power to it? Generator? Or how does it run?
This one has hard power, but that's totally up to the contractor, right?
Sure.
So they set it up different ways. Some of them have hard power, some of the generators. You can get a battery-operated unit, but you're paying a little bit more, obviously, at that point.
Jeff, how do people get a hold of you?
Call us directly. Probably best rtechpro.ca would probably be the best case.
Okay.
But our direct number here is I only know my number off the top of my head. We're still live, eh?
We're live.
365-442-0249. We'll put you in one of our representatives, and we can take care of you from there.
Perfect. Appreciate it. Here, I'll take that card just so I have it as well in the mic.
Perfect.
Jeff, I appreciate everything you're doing.
Thank you very much. Have a good day.
You too.
Okay.
Excuse me.
I have this.
All right. Yeah, we haven't really covered a whole lot of the digital automation for security and Wi-Fi. Here's Tower Modular to the left. Definitely want to spend some time talking with them. They've been in business for, I think he said 30 years yesterday. So maybe we can find some time when we come back and look at their models. They got Advantum behind them here in Latvia. So, well, anyhow, go ahead, please. Everybody's super busy right now, so I don't want to get in there and interrupt them. But I'm going to give it a try. Yeah. Let me see what we can do.
The panel will pack so thermostat, and the thermostats will have
large container, which is
I'm going to come back by when they're not so busy. But you can see there's a lot of people here. The modular and offsite folks are kind of scattered in between.
They offer different services, and then there's also different.
So we're going to just head down this center aisle because we got a whole nother hall to have to cover here. I definitely think this is a place for some of the tried and true that we're always dealing with. I know our good friends Howick are over in the commercial side, or not Howick, I'm sorry, Combi Lift are on the other side, but I do believe Howick and them should be here as well. I love everybody that supports us, and hopefully this gives them some idea of who's here and what's going on. Now this is day 2. And we'll work our way through here. Clearly Home Depot and their pro people are here. But we're in the automation section. You also have some kitchen and distribution on this side. There they are. The Home Depot pros. Door manufacturers. This is a show we're going to be at next year. More to come on that, but we're going to have a stage here similar to the stage that we just had at Greenbuild in Los Angeles for 2 days, and we're going to be running everything and anything that has to do with offsite technology, innovation, in construction. If I find something interesting here that I can stop and people aren't talking, we'll be able to get some interviews in. And if you're watching this in the chat and you see something you want to know about, let me know. If the chat comes through, I'll be able to get back with you guys and let you know who and what is here. But this is similar to the stage that we had at Greenbuild in Los Angeles, a little bigger. Just backdrop-wise, I think we had more seating. It was packed the entire time. We had people like Steve Glenn from Prefab, Clever Tiny Homes, Reframe Systems, all day for 2 days, just running all kinds of educational sessions for people that really want to understand and learn about offsite construction and new technology in construction. We got plenty of your solar guys. Looks like we have a TV. Oh, I got competitors here. Bold TV. Not sure what they do. Maybe I have to come back and try and get on TV. I'd be pretty good at TV, I think. All right, let's see if we can squeeze through here.
Awesome. The clicker is right
No, I love coming to shows when it's actually busy and people are doing things. I don't know what these guys are doing, but we're going to sneak in and give you guys a sneak peek of what they have going on. Hi, how are you?
Good, how are you?
Good. What is Rona?
What is Rona?
Yeah, here, hold that, and we're live, by the way.
Oh, nice. Hello, everybody who's watching, listening to
Here,
this.
come over here, so that's in the background. I want to see, what are we doing here?
We are having a small little competition.
Yep.
You got 10 screws, you got a timer, and you got a drill. You fastest time wins it all type of thing. Top 3 prizes. Verona Pro, we are one of the leading home improvement stores in Canada.
Yep.
Everything from inside to outside.
Yep.
And we're here to serve everyday pros today.
Right.
Yeah.
So you're like a Home Depot or a Lowe's in Canada?
Yes.
Basically, right?
Yes.
Yeah.
Yes.
You probably don't like me mentioning those names.
A little bit better, maybe?
Yeah, well, I don't think we have Rona in America.
No. So Rona is 100% operational operated in Canada.
Yeah.
So we are a Canadian-operated company. Yes.
Awesome. And what is your name?
My name is Gurpreet.
Gurpreet?
Yes.
And what do you do here, Gurpreet?
I am a area manager for the in-store pro side for Southwestern Ontario.
Awesome. Well,
Yes.
perfect. Love it.
Thank
Thanks
you,
for taking a
Dave.
few moments.
Yeah, no
I'm Dave
worries.
Cooper Live. You can look this up
Yes.
online.
Take care.
You can see it right now. Thank you.
Explain some of the benefits, and did that work for you?
So, metering solutions. And if you're just joining me, we are in Toronto at the Build Show. We are up here with Informa. So, a big shout out to Glenn and his team for having us here. Informa is really looking to take their shows to the next level. And what do I mean by that? They're looking to bring the innovation of construction and technology to their shows here in Canada, at Greenbuild, and many others. We're going to collaborate with them in doing so, and we're going to have a stage. We're going to have a lot of off-site manufacturers. We have manufacturers from all over the world here. Limbex is here. As you saw, Modular was here. The Canadian modular company's here. The rest of them will come to me as we walk through. But you're going to have to go on a little bit of a journey to the next hall with me. And for everybody that we don't have a chance to interview, you'll have a chance to see them on the show, because we've already met several people that we haven't had the awesome pleasure of dealing with before, or having as guests on our show. So we're going to have them come to our show. All right, let's walk over to the commercial side. It's going to be a few seconds here, so if you need to use the bathroom or get a cup of coffee, now's the time. Excuse me. Yeah, I'll turn this around. So we are excited about, what we're going to be able to do here. Honestly, it is amazing that we're going to have the opportunity to start bringing more awareness to the off-site manufacturing industry, technology. There's also a real estate and developer conference happening here. So we're planning on trying to bring all of the real estate folks, the developers, people with cash, together with the practitioners that are building the modulars, that are building the panels, the manufacturing, concrete, doesn't matter, off-site construction in general. So I'll give you a view of down below here to give you an idea how big this hall is. And for those of you that want more floor time when they display at trade shows, this has been open all day, every day. The floor is packed. There's education sessions, there's speaking sessions. And as you can tell, there's a lot of people here. All right. We got a whole nother section to walk through. I'm going to do this all in one shot here today. I also promised my son that I would go to the Hockey Hall of Fame, which is right around the corner. So for any of you hockey folks out there. All right. I really hope I'm going the right way. I believe I am. As they say up here, bonjour.
Yes.
the other hall downstairs? Yep. Thank you. Oh, that's all right. I'll take the escalator. Thank you. I don't want to lose signal in the elevator. We are going back down, so hopefully the signals down there are good and solid. So again, this is Toronto, so it's not very far from the States. It took me from Pittsburgh to get here about 5 hours. And like I said, this is a show where we're gonna be at next year. We're gonna have a stage here. Any of the support anybody, all of you out there want to give us, that's why I'm doing this walkthrough. There's a lot going on. There's a lot of reasons to be here. There's a lot of builders and developers here, and they're not just here. They're in the States as well. So if you're looking to do business in Canada or you're looking for product out of Canada, this is a good place to come. It's a good place to show your wares. It's a good place to bring your mods, your pods, your panels, your machines, your concrete panels, your mass timber. There's a lot of big mass timber folks here as well. So we'll stop by and see some of them. I'll turn this around. Hopefully this sound is coming through loud and clear to all of you out there. Looks like we have one more escalator to go. It was snowing this morning. It is Canada. Oh man, looks like we got one more escalator to go down. I must have come a different way yesterday. Maybe we'll run into Glenn while we're here.
So my voice was gone this morning. It's like just starting. Cody, give me an offer.
All right, this should lead us right into the show. We have a media pass, so we shouldn't have any problems. Yep. I would say there's got to be 10,000 people here, maybe more. If there's anything you are out there interested in seeing, let me know. I'm not sure if my chats are coming through. We're really going down into the bowels right now, so I'm hoping this video feed still goes out. There's a reason people don't live stream, and it's not easy. There it is. Recording video is always easier than the live stream part. Now this is interesting on this side because there is a big international contingent. There's got to be 3 rows of companies just from China in here. I'll start off on the left and then I'll save that for the end. Because it feels like you went to I'm in a different country, but it's just the way it's set up and how they're all together, and they got some really awesome products, so it's kind of neat to be able to show. We'll walk on this end down here. There's your fast track systems. Let's see. Some of your ICF type wall systems and panel systems. There's some Stubbs precast wall systems. You see our friends over to the left of me at OTH. You want to tell me a little bit about Stubbs? Am I saying that right? Here, hold
Stubbies.
that. Stubbies?
What is this? Oh,
That's a microphone.
I'm not your guy.
Oh, come on. You're live right now.
I'm live.
This is live on, just tell me what do you do? I mean, you're here talking to people,
Yes,
so you must know the product.
All right, so basically what we're trying to push is a lot of these box buildings, industrial, commercial, they use a steel frame structure.
Yep.
A lot of times they use our concrete precast as a cladding.
Okay.
But instead, for a few dollars extra, we'll actually produce a load-bearing structural wall, as you can see here.
Yep.
And then all you really need to worry about steel is these OWSJ joists going across. In terms of cost savings, for a smaller structure, you can save up to like 60% on steel cost. Yep. For larger buildings, kind of like Amazon warehouses, 20%.
So it's like a offsite tilt-up product? Is that what it is?
Yeah, better than tilt-up.
Better. So walk me through the properties of the wall system itself.
Properties, well, these are insulated wall panels.
Okay.
So you got a couple inches on the outside.
Right.
And
this is what we're looking at here, right?
Yep, and if you come over here, actually... You got a couple inches on the outside, it's your sandwich panel, then you got insulation in the center.
Right.
And then you got your another structural panel on the outside, inside. Our values, it fluctuates. We use different thicknesses of insulation, different kinds of insulation.
Right.
Typically around R20.
Around R20?
Yeah, R25. I think we can even get up to like R40.
Yeah. So with the wall panels, are you only here in Canada, or are you in the States as well?
We've touched in the States. I'm not too sure how successfully.
Yep.
We've priced projects in the States for sure. Primarily Ontario. We've also priced like New Brunswick, Nova Scotia.
Yep.
Quebec we've been in.
Got it.
Montreal. So,
But how long has the company been around?
I should know this, but
long enough.
19, I want to say 89.
1989?
Somewhere around there.
Yeah. I graduated high school in 1989. Not date myself. Justin, thank you, man. Appreciate it. See, you're actually pretty good at this.
Yeah, I'm okay.
Yeah, come on. Don't cut yourself short. I got to say hi to my friends over at OTH. Where's the rest of the crew?
It's just us.
Just you guys?
Yeah.
How's the show been for you? Here you go, Rose. I'll hear that. Much better?
Much better than we expected. It's our first time here.
Is it your first time? It's my first time here, too.
Oh, really?
Yeah, because I'm always seeing you guys at IBS or World Modular or any of those things. So,
yeah, we're having a great time.
Are you? Waiting for the bar to open at the end right there. They actually have a pretty good open bar here. Tell me about OTH real quick. I mean, you guys have been on the show a million times, but you're here, so I love to support you guys.
So we have remote-controlled lifting hooks.
Yep.
Louis is going to show you how they work. But basically, you lock it like that with your thumb, and those small hooks can hold up to 4,400 pounds.
4,400 pounds?
Yeah. And as soon as you're in the air with your load, and there's more than 50 pounds of tension on the hook, they won't open.
They won't
open.
open.
They'll never open when they're in the air.
Got it.
Yeah, and then with a 2-button sequence on that remote control, you can open it, and your rigging will fly back with your crane.
And that's it?
That's it.
And nobody has to be in the way or get injured, or you're going to do it all from the ground safely.
Yep, exactly.
I love it. Well, appreciate it, Rose. Good to meet you, Louis. So hopefully we'll see you at the next one, right? All right, guys. All right, we're going to walk down this side here. All right.
What? You don't like tire kickers?
How's it going?
Great.
Spray foam insulation?
Indeed.
Is that what it is? You want to tell me a little bit about who you guys are and what you do?
Well, this is
we're live, so a little delay on that.
This is a mobile cart that we produce for contractors that are spraying high-rise buildings.
Okay.
So it can be craned up and go up in a lift and shore power rig, but totally self-contained. So contractors can.
Hold that up so people can hear. So that's a self-contained unit that's mobile, that they can move it from floor to floor on a multi-story building and spray.
Connect to temporary powers on each floor. Electrician on site would hook it up. There's complete electrical hookups in it. So But our main business is building self-contained spray foam rigs for the industry, for new customers entering the market, entering the trade.
Sure.
A lot of drywallers. They tend to want to expand their scope, and so
they add this to their portfolio.
Absolutely, just so they're not subbing it out. So
Are you guys working in any manufacturing environments as well for off-site construction?
We've got some contacts, but most everything we do is either mounted in a trailer or a truck body.
Got it.
And we've got the company next door here is installation company, so we've got an outlet for training. New entrants. We've got jobs in the GTA all the time, so we can get new customers out onto a physical job site.
Are you guys just here in Canada, or are you?
Basically we are a Canadian company doing business in Canada, but we certainly grow. We're certainly looking to expand, but
And what's your role with the company?
I'm the sales manager for.
You're the sales manager. Yeah. What is the name? It's covered up. Gentech or Genic?
No, it's Toronto Spray Foam Parts.
Toronto Spray. Okay, let me say it one more time. Say it one more time. Toronto.
It's Toronto Spray Foam. Toronto Spray Foam.
Yeah, it must be my bad English. I'm American. Yeah. Well, Wayne, thank you very much for talking with me. We got a lot of show to walk through, but perfect. I'm Dave Cooper from Dave Cooper Live. If you just type that into Google, you'll find us.
All right.
Thank you, sir. Here we got an Autodesk stage. This was similar to the stage that we had out in LA this, what was it, just about a month ago. Let me see. Is that Vamsey? No. Just looking to see who we knew and what's going on, but here's some of the really cool soundproofing stuff. Anybody knows these soundproofing folks? I'm building out the studio. I want to add some of this stuff to my studio. Or my kids' room. Alright. We're going to hang a right here. Oh, there they are. Our good friends at Combi Lift. There is not a better machine to have in a factory environment than a Combi Lift. Period. Combi Lift. There you go. We haven't had you on our show yet. I'm Dave Cooper.
Hey Dave, how's it going?
Yeah, good to see you. How's it going for you?
Pretty good, thank you.
Yeah. So give me the pitch on Combi Lift. Like, what are you telling everybody? I mean, I always tell everybody they're the best machines out there.
Yeah, well, like multi-directional forklifts, typically for handling long, oversized loads.
Right.
Here at the building show, we're working with a lot of guys from the modular home building industry.
Yeah.
So we're talking to a few of them about new factory setups that they're currently working with. So So data centers are a big push right now, right? Panel systems, any panel system, not just modular. Yeah, that's right.
Right. Perfect. And how long have you been in Canada now?
Well, I've been in Canada for 9 years.
Yeah. Your Canadian accent's pretty good.
You think so? I work on it.
Is that French?
Yeah.
Well, good.
Yeah, 9 years in Canada, yeah.
9 years in Canada?
Yeah.
Well, I love it. I wanted to stop by. I saw you guys here and you weren't doing anything, so I had to put you on the spot.
Brilliant. Thank you.
Yeah. Appreciate it, my friend. Thanks so much.
Thanks, Dave.
All right. The rest of the team's not here. They got lucky.
Yeah.
Oops, excuse me. All right, we're going to keep walking through here. What does Kojo do?
Kojo's a materials management platform.
Oh, tell me about Kojo.
Oh, wait, no. Tiff, tell them about Kojo.
Yeah, you know what? You're right. It's probably better. Tiff, tell us about Kojo.
Okay. So we're a material management platform, so we pretty much tie the field to the office and make communication really easy.
Yeah.
So when the field needs to order materials, we have a mobile app. It's very much like Amazon meets Uber, but for the construction industry. So there's like nice big bright tiled pictures.
Right.
They can choose what they want. Like let's say I'm walking around, I'm like, okay, I realize I need more EMT. I can go on my app, click EMT, and then send that order straight to my purchasing agent. equipment or straight to the vendor. It's very customizable, so like you can toggle it on or off if you want them to have that ability to go straight to vendor.
So are you guys tied to all the material suppliers?
Yeah.
So when you say you're the Amazon for construction
Hundreds
material,
of vendors, yes.
No kidding, really?
Yeah. So we're
same day delivery.
Depending, you got to plan ahead for that. But pretty much, even if we don't integrate, we're vendor agnostic. So all it is a simple introduction to our partners' vendors, and then we can integrate with them. And then all their pricing and availability is available, and their material lists.
And what do you do for them?
So I'm an account executive.
You're an account executive, right?
Yeah.
So you help everybody figure out what they need.
Exactly. So pretty much I hop on calls with prospects and then walk them through any questions. So I'll meet with our coding team, integrations, engineers, make sure that like they're set, and I can walk them through the whole process, and then make sure that implementation is smooth as well. So kind of like the middleman between all the
pulling it all together.
Yeah.
So what are you seeing in the market? Are you seeing a lot of growth? Are you just here in Canada? Are you around the world? Are you in the States?
So we're predominantly in Canada and the US. We just started expanding into Canada as of this summer. So
you're a US based company?
Originally, yes.
Got it, okay.
Yes. But we have a ton of employees spread out across Canada.
Yeah.
So I'm from Vancouver, and then Liam's over here from Ontario.
Yeah. Love it. Yeah. Tiffany, thank you so much.
Nice to meet you.
Yeah, appreciate you introducing us to Kojo. I'm going to see if I can order something, how well it works. I'm coming back for you. Yeah. How you doing? How you doing? All right, we're going to have to pick it up here a little bit. This is a coatings company. Crystalline waterproofing systems. All right, this side I think is bigger than the residential side, folks. So we're gonna pick up our pace just a little bit and work our way over that way. Get to the mass timber side of things as well. We got some friends over there. Obviously, you have your vendors for safety gear and safety equipment. This soundproofing is actually really awesome. Dell's here. Imagine that. They're everywhere. Not sure what that is.
It's all over the place, and these kinds of things.
LiDAR. I am trying to get people to talk, but everybody is so busy, and that's a good thing, for sure.
Okay. I'm saying hi before you go. Okay. I love that guy. He's so cool. He talks about everything. He talks like I do.
How do you say that? Yeah, and what do you guys do?
We do machinery.
What kind of machinery?
We do sheet metal working machinery and equipment to produce tile sheet profiles, all customized profiles.
Got it. So what I'm seeing here is kind of what you do.
Yes.
Right.
Rainwater system, downspouts, and
Yeah. That's very awesome.
So we produce everything in Finland, and then we have distributors here in
And then you have distribution here.
Yeah.
So you do everything from gutters, cladding, it looks like, roofing?
Yes.
Understood. Right.
Siding and soffit and so on.
And you actually make the machines that can produce these things. So
precisely, yes.
Got it.
We do a lot of customized profiles as well.
Yeah.
So if a client has his own shape that he wants to produce, so we can provide the equipment to manufacture it actually.
Okay. Right. Very cool. And is there different types of machines, or is it the one machine can do all these different profiles?
Well, each profile has its own machine.
It's its own machine.
We do make rafted systems as well.
Okay.
And we do double-deck roll formers and triple-deck roll formers, where you can produce two or three different profiles in one frame structure. Yeah.
Love it. And what is your name?
I'm Ulla.
Rula. And Ulla, what do you do for the company?
Well, actually, I'm the managing director, and I own half of the company.
You do?
Yeah.
Well, good.
I've been in this business for 30 years, so I've more or less grown into it. So.
Right. I would say so. Yeah. I've been in it for 20 myself before I started doing this. Now we have a live show. We travel the world showing innovation in construction. So the name of the show is Dave Cooper Live. You can Google it and you'll find us. But we do C-suite executive interviews around the world with developers, builders, offsite manufacturers.
All around the world.
All around the world. Yep.
Okay. So you travel a lot yourself.
I travel a lot. Yeah. This is already. I think this is 3 countries in the last couple of weeks for me. So.
Right.
So. Well, very nice to meet you. Thank you. You have a nice show. Yeah, I mean, this is great because I'm meeting a lot of people that I don't know, and when I find new people, that's good for everybody. All right, we're going to do a couple cut-throughs here just for timing's sake. I think we've been at this now for about 40 minutes, maybe a little bit longer. There you go, there's the robot. All right. I know you're eating, but I have to ask you about the robot. You have 2 seconds? What is your name?
My name is Daphne.
Hey, Daphne, I'm Dave Cooper. So tell me what we're looking at here, Daphne.
We're looking at our little mascot. So this is Lidio. He's really having a good time here, getting to know everyone.
Yeah.
And we're testing out his different options, his different capabilities. We're seeing what he can do. He uses LiDAR technology, and so he can sense what's going on. He can map different areas. He has a camera as well.
Is he tired?
No.
So what do you use them for, like in the construction space? Give me some real world applications.
Yeah.
Right now we're not using it.
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, we're live right now, by the way.
Okay, good.
And Sebastian, nice to meet you.
Hi, Dave. Nice to meet you. But right now we are testing it, so we would like to bind it with our containerized solution for security.
Okay.
So that means that the dog could walk around and go see.
Like a security dog.
Yeah.
It's like Mall Cop, but.
That's it.
Right?
Yes. Yeah. Right.
Yeah, no kidding.
And, it could go places that we cannot.
Right.
So it's small, so it could go under the truck.
Right. And look around. And so what kind of things can it detect?
It has a LiDAR system on it.
Right.
So I don't have all the details yet.
Right.
We know that it can do many things.
So if there's somebody that shouldn't be there in the middle of the night, it can pick up and send a signal. And
of course, it has a camera in front of it.
In front of it.
So if you.
Yeah. And what about laying out like wall and panel forms, like for layouts for building? Can it do that?
I don't know yet.
Might, huh?
Yeah, might.
Yeah.
It's an interesting.
It's cute.
Interesting thing.
I know. I'm filming you, and you're filming me.
Yes.
So, well, very cool. Well, thank you very much. It was nice to meet you, Sebastian. Sorry to ruin your lunch, Daphne. Thank you.
I guess you don't.
How cool is that? It's kind of fun. You almost want to hang out with them. I wonder if they can give me one of those to take home. My kids would love it. All right, we're going to work our way around. We got Home Depot, obviously, in this section as well. A lot of LED technology, Sluter systems down there. We're going to cut over this way, which I hate to do, but I'm doing it for timing purposes. But if you guys want to come, you got to come to the show. You'll be able to see everything that's here and get a feel for everything. I mean, from door handles, anything you need for construction. All right. So in this section, we're starting to get into the cold form steel side of things. You got your different profiles of cold form steel. How you guys doing? Rock wool's here, of course. Love our rock wool guys. Bailey's Total Joist Systems. How y'all doing? Rockwool is burning their stuff like they do at every show. Did it ever get out of control on you? No?
Money's safe.
Yeah. No, I love it. I love it. Appreciate what you guys do. All right, so here's Norbeck, which is, they say, the largest Canadian manufacturer of insulated metal panels. So, I don't know if we go inside, if you can see. They got some bat phones, it looks like. Oh, it's actually really quiet inside here. I don't know if my sound just got a little bit better or a little more echoey, or if you can even see from the light change. We're going to walk up this side and then I'll come down the other side because we have a lot of cold form steel folks in this industry. Oh, there's Ideal Roofing. U-Build, Steel Buildings, EBS Global, FrameCAD's here. Steel Structure Pro. Maybe I can use them for my next deck build. Tree took out our deck, so we got to rebuild the deck. All right, we're going to keep walking down here. Let me get around some folks. Hopefully I'm not going too fast for all of you. Greenstone. Looks like an insulated panel. Can you tell me about Greenstone? Yeah, here.
Or just tell you. Oh,
just a little bit about the company and what it is.
Okay, just speak into this?
Yeah, okay. We're live, so go for it.
Okay, awesome. So Greenstone Building Products is based out of Brandon, Manitoba. So we manufacture and supply an insulated composite envelope. So it's essentially a building envelope. Yep. So it's the shell of your home. So you have the actual envelope. It consists of steel stud framing and a solid EPS core, and there's no thermal bridging. So that's the huge benefit of the product. There's
How do you bond it together? Is that what is it bonded or is it connected somewhere?
So I can show you over here.
Yeah, that'd be great.
So this is a good side view. So there's a steel frame, double steel stud frame. So on the outside and the inside. And then is it closer?
No, you're good.
So the foam is actually expanded onto the frames,
right?
And it goes through a press and is hit with steam and creates a composite envelope. So this is all one assembly.
It's one assembly.
Yes, yeah,
that's really
all prefabricated. Cool. So we take your plans and convert them to ice panel drawings, and manufacture them and supply them to you on site.
So you're only doing the wall systems? Are you doing roof and floors yet?
We are doing roof as well.
Okay.
There's roof up here you can kind of see.
Got it.
This one's our 5.5 inch just for assembly wise because it's quite heavy. But typically it would be in the 9.25 or 11.5 inch panel structurally. And then we're actually offering a new product, which you can see here, the steel interior walls and the steel trusses and joists. So we're just kind of showcasing it. We just did an expansion to our plant, so we're...
Do you manufacture your own equipment?
Yes.
You do? So you have you got the machines that roll the steel?
So we have a roll former. So we get the coil, like the raw materials.
Right.
So the coils of steel that we roll to length, so there's no waste. And then the raw resin of the bead, which we expand in a controlled environment.
Do you know what machines you guys use? Tell me it's Howick.
I don't think so.
Well, it looks like it the way they have the dimpled stuff over there.
Yeah.
Well, very cool. Is it Charnel?
Charnel.
Charnel, and what is your role here?
I am sales and marketing.
Sales and marketing?
Yes.
Perfect. I'm Dave Cooper from Dave Cooper Live. We travel the world showcasing innovation in construction.
Cool.
We cover a lot on the the cold form steel market. So yeah, check us out. Just Google us.
Okay, cool.
Thank you.
Dave.
All right. So as you can see down there, we got a ways to go. We're going to skip a couple locations.
Sorry, where did you get your mic?
Oh, these mics?
Yeah.
So they're DJI mics.
DJI. Okay.
Yeah, I'll stop back and show you when I'm done.
Okay.
All right?
Good.
Yep. I think Devin's down here. We interviewed Devin a while ago. All right. Oh, and we are live, so you're going to have to roll with it. Here, hold that, Devin. Oh, she's running. She's running. Devin, how's the show going for you?
So far, it's been really good, Dave.
Yeah. Tell us a little bit about who you guys are and what you do, even though we've had you on the show.
Yeah, so we're with Klissnikoff Mass Timber.
Yep.
So we're a fully vertically integrated volumetric modular mass timber and panelized wall supplier. So what better way or place to add value to the fiber than right at the source? Take it out of the forest, add as much value as we can right there, and then ship project-specific products to those different sites throughout North America. Oh, there we go.
Love it. So you guys are based where?
We're based in Castlegar, British Columbia.
Yeah.
But we've done projects throughout North America, from San Diego to Alaska.
Right.
Quite a bit in BC, Ontario, even South Carolina.
Right. And you guys are growing pretty rapidly, right?
Yeah, we're going through. We've got 3 facilities: our lumber mill, our mass timber facility, which is undergoing expansion right now for the second time, and we have a 100,000 square foot prefabrication and modular facility as well. Yeah. All located within about 10 minutes from each other.
Right. Yeah. Walk me through the panels and the design. Exactly what are they? Are we doing wall panels? Is it CLT? Is it a mix?
It's a mix. It really becomes project specific where you're going and what loads those are going to be under, and what value we can add. Sometimes it's better to do a light frame wall. Other times we should be utilizing CLT for some of its shear capacity. So we work with clients individually to create the wall assembly that works best for them. So we're not dictating exactly what they have. We've got enough flexibility there to meet a ton of different application standards.
Yeah, love it. How's the show been for you?
So far it's been great. We love being here in Toronto and Ontario. There's lots of great things going on, meeting engineers and architects, and good people like yourselves.
Is this your first time to this show?
We do BuildX throughout throughout Canada, but this is my first time here. Yeah.
It is your first time here. Well, Devin, good to see you, man.
You too.
Appreciate it. I'll swing back by and catch up with you in a little bit. So wanted to come by and say hello.
Good to see you.
Thanks. You're not going to get away from me next time, Mary. All right, we're going to head down here. I'll show you some more of the things that we have, but we're going to get into more of the fencing, wall cladding. I'm going to take you to the international section, even though this is international. Some amazing scaffolding here from Key Safety. Let's see where we can go here. I could use some talkies. It looks like I took a wrong turn. We're going to have to walk all the way down. There we go. If you're not showcasing your products at this show and Canada is part of your market, as you can see, there's a lot going on here. Everything from the residential market to the commercial market. It is something that you definitely want to be on the in on. The show is happening. They said they were up big time this year over previous years. And the attendance is up. The distributors are up. The displays are up. Sorry, I'd show you everything to the left here, but there's a lot going on. Got some more robotics here. Hoodoo. Floor cleaning. So if you have a lot of buildings, you need to clean your floors. I'll walk around this way, and then we're going to go over here to the international section. We'll see if we can get some interviews, and then maybe we'll come back for some cannolis later. We got all the drone technology. Yeah, this is what I'm talking about.
They didn't.
All right, so as you can see, we're getting more into the international, a lot of Chinese companies. Hi there. There's 2 or 3 rows. If there's anything in here, this is to see. As you can see, it's on both sides. They do their own rock wool material. We got bathtubs, jacuzzis to the right here. Go ahead.
Oh, sorry.
You're all right. How are you? Let's see if I can find something interesting to talk to. We got fencing, fence post material. Staircases. I'm not really sure what we're doing here. Highlander technology. Looks like cages to protect robotics and machinery. Fujian tiling material. Sinks. Yeah, so if you're looking to outsource overseas with some of your products, some of your molding, some of your trim, all your bath products, machinery. Yeah, it's kind of different. I've never been to a show that kind of switched over to a one international section like this, which is it's kind of cool actually. You know, especially if you're a big developer or manufacturer and you're looking to outsource for product, this is a good place to do that. Hi. All right. Looks like we got more railing, decking material. I know I'm going kind of quick. My arm's getting tired too. Rain catch solutions. Stairs. Yeah, so it looks like a lot of tile, stairs, interior, finished products, trim work. I'm not seeing a whole lot of structural. Some light gauge steel or cold form steel. Plumbing and hardware. All right, I'm going to find a place I can wrap up here at the end. There's so much more that we haven't even got to. I skipped quite a few aisles, but this is definitely a really, really cool show. I highly recommend coming just for this experience alone, especially if you are doing large development, large building, and you want to outsource and work with people to manufacture your own products. Well, there's a lot of it here. All right, I'm gonna turn this around. So, I mean, the show itself is quite large. It's impressive. How you doing? There's a whole lot of people here, as you can see. So I apologize I wasn't able to interview everybody that I wanted to interview. Sorry if that's so close to my face. But overall, hey man, awesome. I love it. I love it when it's busy. The industry's booming right now. There's more off-site and modular folks here. Talking with them all day long. I expect to see a lot more of this next year as well. How you doing? So, next year's the year, everybody. This show, we're going to have a big part in this show. We're going to help bring the offsite community on a much larger scale to this show. And I'm not just talking panels and modules. I'm talking everything from offsite construction, the technology, the people that are truly making a difference. we need a place where we get together with the builders, the developers, the money, the real estate, and we need to bring them together, you know, with the practitioners and the manufacturers. We got to stop being siloed. We got to come together as an industry. That's the only way we're going to grow, and that's how we're going to succeed. We have to. There's no other way at this point. So I hope you guys enjoyed today's show. I'm not really sure how I'm going to kill this show yet and end it, so it might get a little sloppy, but appreciate it, everybody. I'm in Toronto, Dave Cooper. Check us out, Dave Cooper Live. Thanks for watching. Bye now.